I'm Yani. I'm a ranger with Parks Victoria, and today we're going to be looking for some aquatic mini beasts. Come, let's check it out.
Mini beasts, water bugs, or aquatic macroinvertebrates. Macro means they're large enough to be seen by the naked eye, and invertebrates are animals that do not have a vertebrae or a backbone. Invertebrates include dragonfly larvae, diving beetles, crabs, and snails. Aquatic macroinvertebrates can live in a range of different habitats, like in small streams with rocks to hide between, rivers with muddy banks and overhanging branches, or big rivers with lots of reeds and tea trees growing along the bank. Plants are really important for water bugs to create a healthy habitat. To collect water bugs, I need a net and a bucket to safely put the water bugs in. I went down to the river and collected water bugs by dragging my net in the water over rocks and plants water bugs like to live. I very gently washed them into my bucket. I then sorted my water bugs so I can easily identify what they are. The types of water bugs I find will help me figure out the health of the river. Here I have a young fish. This is a vertebrate. It has a backbone and skeleton and likes to eat many water bugs. I also caught a glass shrimp, which is an invertebrate. They have 10 legs, which means they are a decapod, with brushes on their front legs to filter feed. They use a fan-shaped tail to swim very quickly to escape predators. I also found water boatmen, which are bugs that can swim very fast with paddle-shaped back legs. They can fly between different water bodies if they really need to. Leeches are predators that like to live in the muddy bottom of rivers and lakes. Leeches are great parents of some species carrying their young on their back. Spiders like to live on the plants above the water, and some species hunt water bugs and even fish in the water below. This is a damselfly larvae, which is an active predator. They swim with snake-like motion and have 3 fan-like gills on the end of their body. They have a hinged jaw for catching their prey. They can live in a diverse range of habitats. This is a non-biting midge or bloodworm. They are often red in colour because they have a lot of pigment similar to our own blood, which helps them extract oxygen. This means that they can live in low oxygen environments and very polluted waterways. These little snails are grazers and scrape algae off the rocks and logs using a special tooth row called a radula. They can range from 3 to 30 millimeters in size. All the bugs in this guide have been given a signal score between 1 and 10 based on how sensitive they are to pollution. Bugs who can tolerate polluted waters get a low score. I found water boatmen, spiders, freshwater snails, glass shrimp, leeches, bloodworms, and damselfly larvae. This means I have 7 different water bugs. Now I need to add up the signal values of each type of water bug. 5, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, and 1. That equals 19. If I divide the signal value, 19, from the number of different bugs, 7, I get 2.7. This means our waterway health score is very poor, below 4, which means our river is not very healthy. This waterway has been impacted by pollution. I found bits of plastic like bottle caps, nurdles, and polystyrene on the banks of the river. You can help our waterways by disposing of your litter properly, and when you're out for a walk, pick some up on the way home. Let's all work together to keep our waterways healthy.
Thanks for watching today. I'd like to acknowledge the traditional owners of this beautiful river. And now, finally, I'm going to find myself some more mini beasts. See you later.